From ancient creatures that never died to terrifying shrimp weapons, here are 10 scary animal facts you wish you never knew. Number 10, the vampire squid. It may not be big enough to take down a human, but this deep sea dweller is perfectly adapted for hunting prey in the darkest depths. Its huge eyes help it spot prey in the faintest light, while its webbed arms allow it to capture and hold onto prey with ease. As for how it feeds, well, that's where things get a little creepy. The vampire squid essentially sucks the life out of its prey, leaving nothing but an empty shell behind. So, if you find yourself swimming in the deep sea, be sure to keep an eye out for this one. Number 9, sharks can smell your fear. Yes, you heard that right. Sharks have the ability to detect fear in the air. Researchers have found that sharks are able to pick up on chemicals that are released by humans when they're scared, such as adrenaline and cortisol. They're then able to use this information to determine whether or not the person is a threat to them. And if you're not careful, your fear could end up making you a meal. So if you're ever in the water and you feel a shark approaching, remember to stay calm. Easier said than done. No. 8. Spiders can sense danger through your touch. Feeling a little uneasy about that spider crawling on your arm? Well, it might not be able to sense danger through your touch, but certain species of spiders, such as tarantulas, have the ability to detect danger through vibrations. When they feel a disturbance in their web, they're able to quickly escape before they become someone's lunch. Talk about a close call. Number 7. The silence of the snakes. It might seem cute, but don't be fooled by its small size. The boomslang is one of the most venomous snakes in Africa, and it's able to deliver its venom through a bite that's almost impossible to feel. It injects a hemotoxin that causes internal bleeding, and it can kill its prey within hours. So if you see this snake slithering around, don't make the mistake of thinking it's harmless. Number 6. Venomous kisses. Imagine being poisoned by a kiss. Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. The blue-ringed octopus is one of the most venomous creatures in the world, and its bite can kill a human in just minutes. But that's not the creepy part. The blue-ringed octopus often bites in self-defense, meaning that if you try to pick one up, you'll likely be met with a painful kiss of death. So be careful when you're exploring the ocean depths. No. 5. Killer whales eat their prey. Alive orcas, also known as killer whales, have been known to eat their prey alive, including seals, porpoises, and even other whales. They typically target the youngest or sickest members of a pod and begin by biting off chunks of their skin and blubber. Then, they let the screaming animals slowly bleed out while they play with their food. No thank you. Number 4, human skin taste test. Imagine going for a swim and coming back with itchy, red bumps all over your skin. That's exactly what happened to a group of beachgoers in Australia after they unknowingly went for a swim in a blue bottle cell. The stinging cells inject a venom into your skin that can cause severe pain and inflammation. But that's not the worst part. Some people have reported that the pain lingered for weeks after the initial sting, so if you see these blue bottles bobbing in the water, stay away. Number 3. Terrifying tentacles. You've probably seen the infamous blobfish and thought, wow, that thing is ugly. But did you know that this fish's appearance is actually a defense mechanism? The blobfish lives deep in the waters off the coast of Australia and New Zealand, and its gelatinous, slimy body is designed to make it virtually taste bad to any would-be predators. So if you ever come across a blobfish, don't be tempted to take a bite. You won't be sorry. Number 2, walking lumps. The Ethiopian jumping spider can walk up walls and ceilings thanks to its specialized leg structure, which allows it to grip surfaces that are smooth or slanted. This also helps it to jump up to 6 times its body length, which is impressive considering its tiny size. However, some people find the way these spiders move to be eerily creepy, like watching something from a nightmare. Number 1, rat attack. Rats are known for carrying diseases, but did you know that they also attack humans? Rat attacks are actually more common than you might think, especially in areas where rats are prevalent. Rats can cause serious injuries with their sharp teeth and claws, not to mention the diseases they can spread through their saliva. And the scariest part, they often target vulnerable people, such as the elderly and children. Stay vigilant and protect yourself against these vicious attackers. Now, it's time for you to speak up. Which of these scary facts shocked you the most? Share your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this one. Thanks for watching!